Top of the top. Top of the top of the top. Smile. Every time. Smile.
That's hilarious.
Grand,
Top of the top. Good morning,
Grand Rising. Need to post a
La
story.
Familia.
Need to let everyone know that we exist. I have to post a story every day
Matter.
to let them know. The live stream link. Live stream.
Everybody seemed to like our little back and forth yesterday.
Yeah, going against each other.
Yeah, that's just actually funny though. Like it is, it's just hilarious.
It is. So let's talk about it. Let's see what's going on. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, June 26th, and we are cruising with no end in sight, just going up and up and up and up and up. So, well, we got some new guys in here. Luke, what's up? Sensei, what's up? So, morning game plan. We're cruising towards all-time highs. We're already in all-time highs, like I've been talking about for QQQ itself. SPY is actually not there yet. So SPY could totally do it today. We're at 613.23. We're at 609 right now.
So that means Qs have time to, NQ have more space to run because of that, right?
Yes, exactly. So NQ could go into like breakout mode and kind of just like keep going. So there are some levels though on NQ because NQ technically isn't at all-time highs yet. It's really close to it though. I believe if we actually just look at NQ itself, I don't know how these charts back adjust. Sometimes the back adjusted charts don't fully look correct. But we zoom out. We got all-time highs way up here, right? So we got 727. See, this says 22,879, but my other chart, it says 22,800s. Let's call it 22,800s roughly. So we can still get a little bit of room to go. So pretty much today, I got a few main levels. I'm watching just continuation, right? Like this is just a continuation daily bar setup. This is nothing fancy. I'm looking for us to test kind of up into here, which 22,700s. If we can break through 22,580s, which is basically the pre-market high, then I want to look for 22,700s roughly. If we end up selling off below VWAP here and lose VWAP, down into 22,425s, which you can see is some nice support down here, is near-term volume point of control. You guys hear me talk about that a lot. Near-term volume point of control. Just a lot of price has been transacted there, specifically on the 15-minute chart for the past few days. So this is where a majority of price, if we look sideways, imagine like all this, boom. That's where a majority of price has been transacted. So as long as this holds a support, I always say support till it's no longer support. And too many people want to just go against support. So watching that to see if it holds. If we lose that for whatever reason, then things change. You know, we can maybe go towards the bearish side of things and think about that. But again, I'm not going to be a big bear right away. So that's kind of the focus is 22,425s, 22,580s. And then as always, kind of seeing how VWAP's respected right here, right? Like, look at this. We pull down into it, we hold it. And this is why I love VWAP, right? It's not magic, but it's damn near magic. Respect it. So that's what I got per usual. I'll be chilling, kind of just waiting. Lawrence is going to hate it. I kind of like RTY a little bit, but I won't talk about that. I'll just trade it in front of him and piss him off.
Fucking sick. I do like how, and I meant to say this not too long ago, I do like how as technically sound you are. Like, Tanner, you know a lot about technicals, like way more than me, like in different ranges, like ICT and different worlds. And considering everything that you know about technicals, and you still choose VWAP, that speaks volumes, like how powerful VWAP really is. Like it's insane.
It's actually really interesting. You bring that up because I was talking to Katie, one of our new strong trading clients, and she was asking about. She's like, what's like your win rate on pullback to VWAPs? And it's around like 70-75%. It's pretty high. But I think it can just get higher and higher because I'm still discretionary with it. There are some times where I won't play the pullback to VWAP, right? If I traded it like a robot and every time like it came down and I bought it, there's certain scenarios where I will not buy it or I won't play it. But that just comes in the discretionary screen time of like knowing charts. And that's, I guess, where those bigger picture technicals of levels come in first for me. So I am really focused on looking at levels first. It's like a hierarchy, I always say. It's levels first, then VWAP. So it's like I'm always using it in that aspect. I'm not just buying VWAP blindly like a monkey every time. It's like, okay, like, does this make sense based on like maybe, especially if there's confluence or something? I'm like, oh yeah, I want to trade this because now there's a level here involved and this is even better. But it's like, it's VWAP's great. That's awesome.
Yeah, I also shit, I forgot the fuck about this. Oh, that's where the psychology piece come in because I believe that even if you do trade VWAP just like a monkey, as soon as it hits and you just choose a side, if you just stay consistent, you might actually be profitable. I think that
Oh,
that's
for sure.
very much likely.
Well,
But if
dude,
we're talking about effectiveness, then yeah, I get where you're coming
yeah,
from.
for sure. Exactly. Like, I don't know, for the mental too. It's just like I still want to have a high hit rate. And I think that's one thing that's not talked about is when everyone talks about like, what's your win rate with this strategy and stuff? It's like, well, what's your just like how good are you discretionarily with the
Yeah,
strategy, right? Because
yeah,
if you traded the strategy just like a monkey every single time it did what it's supposed to do, you're basically trading like a damn algo, right? And
yeah.
like a quant trader. And that's very different from being a discretionary based trader. Like we still have the option to not take certain setups. And I remember at a Traders for a Cause like 2 years ago, I forget his last name. There's this dude, Matt, and he was like a quant trader, like an algo trader. And this guy has like 10 computers in his house just ripping algos all day. He automates all of it. He doesn't actually fucking discretionarily trade at all, but he
Mhm,
goes over the data of it and he goes over certain strategies and setups. And he was going over some setups and he'd be like all the details like, oh, this is back tested through like, 10,000 trades and it has a 65% win rate. So he's like, yeah, he's like, I have days where I go and look. He's like, oh, I lost $72,000 today. He's like, but based on the data, I know over the year I'm gonna win 65%. He's like, so those days you just accept it and move on. And it's like
mhm.
that's crazy, because like that is actually true. What's the win rate of it? And he's trading it every single time because the algos are trading it every time for him. Like there's a huge difference in that, and that's like something a lot of people don't talk about when it comes to discretionary nature of what we do.
If I was him, I would have treated that shit like a leap. I wouldn't
Yeah,
even look. I wouldn't
yeah,
even look.
I
I would
know.
just let it do its thing and then I'll check in every
Well,
2 weeks.
the thing is though, he has to make sure the algos are working all the time still though, because he has to like double check them because maybe something broke in it or something's like messed up in it. So
Yeah. All right, so let's take a look at these comments. We got a few
yeah,
coming
we
in.
got the
We
comments
got
ripping. Good morning, guys. What's going on? What's going
yeah.
on?
Good morning, Grand Rising,
Mhm.
Kevin. Um, Fit was good, bro. We need to get Fit on here.
I know,
Actually,
fit.
I'm gonna work on that this weekend. I'm gonna work on that this weekend. I'm gonna really start reaching out to people for live. So like, we need to determine what days. I mean, yeah, what days we would like people
Yeah,
to come
figure out
and
like
be
what days.
guests or whatever. We'll
Yeah,
talk about it.
yeah. Okay.
So yeah, Fit. Let me know if you be open to hopping on live with us. Also, Casey, what times do you use for your London session high and low? I mean, for the time frame, it doesn't really matter because London session high and low is going to be as high and low. I guess I go to like the 15 minutes to spot it out pretty quickly, but I mean, the session high is going to be on every time frame. So I just look at the 15 minute, just look at it to spot it very quickly.
Hmm.
Good morning, Charles.
Good morning. Good morning.
I think you got a question in here about Luke, Tanner. Are you looking for
Um,
level widths? Also, I don't know what that is.
level widths. I don't know what level widths is. Is that the amount of times it's tested? Because that's pretty much that is what I do look for. It's like when I look for levels, I'm looking at like I'm going top down always. Like it's I always tell everyone too, if you guys are new here, I have all my levels on my other chart. I have Thinkorswim over here on these other screens you can't see. I do pull them up though here and there so I can show you guys. But I'm always looking at how many times the level's tested. And so it's like, and they are sometimes zones and areas. They're not perfect. And if I can't find any levels within near term like this, I'll end up going down to I'll go to the 4 hour and see if I can see anything, right? And then I'll go down to the hourly and see if I can see anything. And so I'm always about doing this top-down approach because you can see this a little bit better. And obviously we are like intraday traders. So, but the levels coming from bigger picture is always what helps me kind of find them. So if that answers your question. All right, we're kind of just selling off right now. Nothing really going on. So if you're new to the stream, we do usually we don't really take opening drives too much. Number one, I don't, because my data has told me, I was talking about this with Brian yesterday. My data has told me that literally 80% of the time I take opening drives, I lose and don't do well. So in my brain, I'm like, the 20% doesn't make up for that. Damn, YM's ripping right now. The 20% doesn't make up for that. So I generally try to wait at least 15, 20 minutes before taking a trade. And that is part of like just what I do. And my hit rate is higher, my win rate's higher, and everything. So it's like kind of just ignoring the noise at the open. Going from there, I kind of like what's going on here. I like how we're trying to reclaim VWAP. We got YM and RTY are doing their things. They're doing their things. Check this YM, dude. Look at this.
Damn.
Yeah,
Oh
Ripper
gosh.
right off the open off VWAP, 400
Jeez.
550s. RTY. What I like about this RTY, check this daily setup actually. Speak of setups. Look at this 1, 2, 3, not potentially. Well, if we can, I was looking at this scenario this morning. I didn't put it in the game plan because I don't want to like have people trade RTY if they're not used to it. But like I could easily see us engulfing this bearish bar from yesterday. Easily. You know, and then we continue higher. RTY, this is the year of RTY. This is the small cap year.
This is the year.
This is the year. This is the year. It wants to do it. It wants to do it, dude. It wants to do it. YM, same kind of setup. I think there's a nice 1, 2, 3 on here as well. Yeah, look at this. 1, 2, 3. Actually, it just broke this. If we can pull back and retest this on YM, that would actually be nice. The 517s. Ooh, it's really nice, actually. Gonna see how we hold down around there. But meanwhile, RTY just going. RTY just going. Running. I'm gonna stick to MNQ though to not piss you off.
Thank you.
Maybe I want to piss you off though.
You so considerate. Wayne was good. Top of the top.
Good morning. Fuck, where is YM going? I know YM's going to the moon, dude. RTY just running in the side of my screen. Let's see.
I'm full of sending minis this morning.
Yeah. Lawrence is into the big leagues. He called Top Step and said, hey, fuck you guys. I need more. I need more.
Cool. Sending minis in this
Cool,
bitch.
sending the minis. Let's see if we hold. I do like 22,500 on NQ. Let's see if we can overshoot here and a failed attempt to go lower. That actually might be something to work with here. Let's see. Yeah. I might try this if we can get some sort of signal bar.
Yeah.
If we can get some sort of signal bar here, failed attempt here. I kind of like this. I'm gonna try it.
Order filled.
Beautiful. That's nice. I like that.
I'm gonna add.
Order
here.
filled.
I'm gonna add.
I like that. I like that a lot.
I like that a lot.
I like that a lot.
Let's see if it holds. Stop at the low there, 494.
And the beautiful part about this is the fact that this is the hardest part right here. As soon as we clear right now what we're going through the very beginning, driver's seat. Like
let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Okay, because Brian yesterday literally he's like, I hear you guys talk about driver's seat a lot. He's like, and I don't feel like I'm ever like I don't know what that feeling feels like, because Brian waits for too much confirmation sometimes. That's kind of like an issue. Yeah. And so I talked about like the driver's seat is when like we have clearly failed to go lower or higher, and you have to sit through kind of the tough part. And I would say this is the tough part, right? Because like easily this can pull down here and fail. And I'm like, oh, dang, you know, but again, it's a small little loss for me, so it's okay. But if it does hold and now we start to push and go, then I'm in the driver's seat and I just go, okay, how do I manage this now, right? How do I deal with this? And so it's like, that's the concept of the driver's seat. Like I'm not there yet. And I'll probably go to higher time frames now to look. Ooh, look at this. This is shaping up nice, dude. This might be a really nice
I like that. I saw it immediately, bro.
I'm gonna add. Really nice. I'm gonna add.
Order filled.
I'm adding more. I like it. I really like it.
I do too.
Really like it here. Let's see if we can get through VWAP.
It's just about to push, bro. I think I like this a lot.
I think we can
This is
sweep this
clean.
liquidity right here, 67s at least. I mean, I think we can go up towards 80s, maybe go towards 600s even.
This is clean.
This is pretty clean. Very clean. Coming into VWAP here. Let's see.
We'll ride this to 75s at least.
I think I'm gonna 511s.
That's what I would do. But I mean, do your thing, but I'm just talking.
Yeah. No, this looks really good. I feel like I need to ride this. It looks real good.
It does.
Just want to see how we treat VWAP and prior day high. I think I'm gonna do. Oh my goodness gracious! Oh my goodness gracious!
Hold the line. Hold the line.
I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get smoked though for sure. There's no way it doesn't take me out.
Hold the line. Hold the line.
I'm holding the line, boys and girls. Holy shit! Is it gonna hold? Wow. Okay. Not much I can do about that. Is it gonna hold? If this holds,
it might hold the line.
Wow,
it might.
Really unfortunate. Holy shit! Holy shit, dude! What this dude? If this holds, I am the diamond hand. Okay, I feel like I need that
diamond hand.
Yo, what the fuck? That was crazy.
Yeah. Hold the line. Yes, sir.
I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it.
Yeah.
Damn, that was fucking.
Yeesh, that was aggressive.
That was really aggressive.
Right on the dime.
Dude, really aggressive tape bomb there. Wow. This is going to take me out. I'm not going to touch it.
He just went long. Yes. Wow, that was like in the blink of the eye, bro.
That was literally, it was like a flash crash, dude. That was crazy.
That was a flash crash.
What the fuck? That was nuts, dude.
Crazy.
This is gonna take me out. That was some bullshit, dude. Yeah, this is gonna take me out.
Order filled.
Yeah. Fuck me, dude. That was fucking wow.
Good. That was a good try.
Holy shit, that was a great try. I just randomly out of nowhere got wrecked. That was so
a really good try. Yeah. I would call that a probabilities-based loss right there.
That was nothing I could do about that.
Yeah,
dude. That was
you did everything you could right
great there. Trade in like
yeah.
Initially in the driver's seat, looking good. Decent ad too. I bet you this is gonna hold here though. I'm not afraid.
Order.
I'm not afraid.
Fuck you guys. I'm back in. Fuck them.
Take a stand. Everybody. I'm taking.
That was fucking whack, dude.
Yeah.
That was insane. Like, why do they got to do that?
That was nasty work.
Why they got to do that shit, dude?
Why you gotta be so rude? Oh, rude.
That was just so aggressive, dude. Extremely uncool. If this takes me out again, I'm gonna just relax for a hot minute. That's all I can do. That's the best way to put it. I just need to relax.
This is one of those opportunities that where if you get taken out right here, then you'll be down about what, $500?
Yeah.
And that would be a sweet spot. That would be a sweet spot for you to stop.
No.
That's what we talked about it. I'm just giving you the opportunity. I'm not telling you what to do. You're free to do what you want to do, I'm just saying that a $500 loss when you average 750 per good day, I'm just saying it's a great opportunity to call it. If you don't want to, that's cool.
I know. You're not wrong.
It's the sweet spot.
Well, you're not
And I want everybody
wrong.
to know the sweet spot is
Fuck.
okay. So the sweet spot on a red day, let's talk about it. Sweet spot on a red day is
Oh,
where you're down, right? And you have the opportunity for one more trade that can either make or break your emotional, you know? So a lot of times when you come down to that point where you're like, okay, this next trade really is really going to decide. If it's the deciding factor, you probably should stop.
strong trader's gone manic. Yeah, I am gone manic, dude. Because
Yeah.
fuck, that was crazy. I'm
Lawrence
okay
the
with
Wise,
this loss
I'll change
again.
the name.
It just is what it is, dude. It's one of those. I'm just like, I can't fucking control it.
Jabari, mental threshold. Thank you. I had a brain fart.
Mhm.
There's not much of a brain in there, but I tried. Lawrence
Not
the
like
Wise. I would change my Instagram name to that.
Lawrence the
Don't try me.
Wise. I like that. Lawrence the
From
Wise.
Lawrence
That's
the
good.
Investor to Lawrence the Wise.
All right, how's this not taking me out, dude? Just take me out. This is crazy. It hasn't stopped me here. Like, what the fuck? There we go.
Order filled.
Yeah, there it is. Okay. All right. Time to breathe. Relax for a second. Think about my life. That was whack, bro. That was fucking stupid.
A bit much.
That was insane.
That was a bit much.
That was a bit much.
You're right.
I probably should have waited for the second one here. Such a good try. I was up like 500 on it. It was so nice up here. No,
Yeah,
no,
no, I mean
literally
it was
blink
solid.
of an eye, dude. Literally blink of an eye. Okay. That's what we're doing.
I really liked your first attempt. Your second attempt,
I know. Second
I
attempt
can't
was
fend
was
for
was
the
too rushed. Yeah.
yeah, I couldn't fend for
Well,
that. But the
because the
first
second
one
attempt was like,
nice.
yeah, because the second attempt right here was like, okay, was this actually one more sweep, and then they're gonna hold
Yeah.
it, you know?
Yeah,
Just
no, the concept
figure it
was
out.
good. You know, the concept
Mhm.
was good. It was just waiting a tad bit more for confirmation. But
Mhm.
no, that first one, I was actually disappointed in that because that looked good. I thought about jumping in myself.
I know. I thought you were too. I was like, damn, shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Yeah.
Now it saved you.
Yeah, it did. Yeah. That's because I'm about to because when I hop in, I'm bro, minis. I gotta
Mhm.
make sure this is it. You know, I
Yeah,
can't do no scratch trades. I'm minis, bro.
yeah,
Minis with $1,000 daily loss limit. I
yeah.
gotta make it count. And when I'm right, I'm gonna full send this shit on stream. I'm gonna add.
Damn, Brian got long at 61.69 right before it spiked down. And then he got caught in the push down. It's frustrating. Really tricky one there, dude.
This could be it right here.
I know, but now
This
I'm like,
really could be it
fucking,
right here.
oh, we're
Yeah, I
getting
think
it.
this might be it.
We're getting the signal here. The 2-minute bullish engulfing.
I'm away from my entry model and I'm full sending long. I'm full sending minis. That's what I'm doing.
See how we treat 500 here.
I'm full sending shit.
That was so fucking whack, bro.
We got news at 7 a.m. PST. PST.
That's my time zone, baby.
Okay.
My time zone.
So 7 a.m. That's about 6 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
I really like your hats.
Thanks, dog.
You go to sleep with them on?
Yeah, always. I sleep with the hats on. I sleep with the strong trading merch on at all
I know
times.
that's fucking right.
Yeah. And you guys in the chat want a hat? Check out strongtrading.com.
Yeah, strongtraining.com. I'll put it in the chat. Get some merch.
You can snag it.
Very good quality.
Look at this fucking candle now, dude. God, this is gonna test my patience today. It's gonna really, really test me. So I'm gonna be super duper patient. Wait till after 10 a.m. now. See what we get.
Yep, this is it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just waiting for my entry. My
Yeah.
full sentence shit. I don't give a fuck. I might actually, I'm thinking about it. This is a good quality setup that I take. I'm going to put $1,000 on the line. Do my daily long stop trade.
Ooh.
It got to be good quality though.
Ooh.
If it's not good quality, I'm not doing it.
Ooh.
It got to be good quality.
Gotta be good.
It has to be good.
RTY pulling back here. YM pulling back here. In the VWAP. Can it hold? Can it hold? Oh, nothing I can do but just wait.
Yeah.
And see what you got going on.
All right. Marking my sweep. Boom. All the way over there. This is my sweep.
Sweepy
we got
McGee.
back into the opening range. This is London highs right here. London lows. Boom. London lows right there. London highs right here. Okay. And got back into orb. Now we wait for my model. We get the model. We're jamming. 30-second chart.
Yep. Ooh, look at that, dude. That 30-second.
30-second chart.
It's a nice little tweezers there. This thing is just gonna fucking go now, dude.
I know, bro. I need my entry model to pop up, bro, so I can hop in this thing.
These
I bet your Chandra's
fuckers.
already long.
These fuckers, bro.
I need my entry model. I will not move without it.
I hate these guys, dude. Oh my god.
Not leaving without it.
Brian size down, took another attempt long at 61.63 with a stop at 61.56. Okay, I'm not against that.
Size down when you're supposed to size up, brother. You got to go harder than that.
I think he's smart. Not against that.
What confluence are you waiting for? You know, Kevin, I really am just a pattern-based trader. I look for patterns in the market. I don't necessarily look at, I mean, there's some levels I look at. I mean, obviously London highs and London lows. I might look at some type of liquidity pool, but other than that, I'm looking for patterns, bro. I'm looking for a sweep. My entry model, which is a simple pattern, is like a double top or a double bottom. I take it and go for my 2R and stop loss below the impulse candle, and that's it. I keep it pretty simple. I see everything in patterns. That's my strength.
All I see are dollar signs.
Mm-hmm. I see life in pattern, the world in patterns. I'm Neo.
I'm Neo. I'm Neo.
The one.
The one, baby.
Not the two. I'm the one, not the two. This shit is fucking ripping. God.
I knew this would happen, dude. They love to just fucking annoying.
I want to send a mini.
I might send RTY right here.
God, I want to send a mini, bro. It won't let me.
I'm trying an RTY long. Super tight
Damn
stop.
it.
Super tight stop here.
I was hoping to send a mini, bro. Market's so bullish. It's so bullish.
So bullish, bro.
The bullish.
The most bullish.
The bullish. This is like really going straight up in the air, bro. Like this is just this is like look at this.
Right in the
this
prior day
like,
high.
Look at this angle.
Just straight up.
Like,
Literally insane.
Geez.
They love to do this shit, dude, every time.
Relax.
Every time, bro.
It's a marathon, not a sprint. But you know, NQ is just like, oh my
Let's go.
God,
Let's
let
go. I'm
me
long RTY. Let's go.
a entry, bro.
Fucking go. I'm long RTY right off VWAP.
Let me get a fucking entry. Chat, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Congrats, Rusty. Passed 2 evals on that push. Good. Now that you pass those evals, like your job is to size down and take your time on the semi-funded accounts.
Mm-hmm.
That is your job from here on out. Actually, I'm going to put my video, the keys to prop firm success.
Keys to prop firm success
By Lawrence the Investor.
Oh God, NQ just pissed me off doing that, dude. Upsetting, frustrating, annoying.
Prop secrets revealed.
Barely swept the walls there. Let's see this.
Oh man, right.
I need this to keep going. I need this to keep going.
Check that video out, Rusty. You might learn a thing or two about this prop firm.
I need this to keep going.
Herschel, your idea was right, just slightly early. I mean, yeah, but the fact of the matter is, when it comes to trading, timing determines if you're right or wrong. Like if your timing is off, you're wrong. Even if you're right.
Check it out. The VWAP master. See if it holds. We're right into the IWM VWAP. That's why it's slowing down here. But I like this. This is a very small risk. Now, honestly, I'm gonna go for this daily bar play. I know it seems kind of crazy, but I want to go for
it.
2176s, bro. All the way back up into here. 2175.
Go for it.
If we can get it, it'd be nice. Be real nice. I don't know what that is. 1300, something like that. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad, gang. Not bad. Rusty. All right, Bull Boys, Lockout Boys. I'm going to rewatch Lawrence's video and fuck off for the rest of the day. Oh, we got Zach in here. Send it. Let's go.
Oh, my boy. Real deal.
Let's go.
Zach. Real deal, Zach. What's going on, man? I'm going minis just for Zach. Wait till my shit, man. Just for you, Zach.
Just for Zach. Let's go. I'm gonna add for Zach, dude. I want to add for Zach.
That's my guy, bro. Wait till my entry mod. I'm going minis for Zach. I'm going minis for him, bro. That's my guy.
Dude, I love it. Let's go, bro. This is a nice little push here. See the RTY do its thing. Keep going. We got some drawdown to get out of here. Let's go. Let's go. So Zach, I had such a nice initial entry, a 22,500 on NQ, and then that random spike candle, I don't know if you saw that, to the downside, just came down and just cucked me. And then after that, I was like, annoyed. And so now I waited.
Crazy.
Don't do anything crazy.
This chat? You into this chat and then tell us not to do anything crazy? Are you crazy?
I'm gonna add, bro. I'm literally gonna add.
Bro, I'm about to get in.
I'm adding.
Order filled.
You fired me up, Zach. I'm adding now. I added.
No, hold on. I'm in.
You just fired me up, juiced me up. Let's see this go.
I'm in.
Let's see it.
Yep, 2 minis.
2 minis. Oh man, dude.
2 minis. I'm risking $845. Fuck y'all.
Ooh, the $800 risk.
So I'm going for it. This is for you, Zach.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I want 75, bro, on this. I want 75. This is actually a really good setup on RTY. I need to let this fully breathe and play out.
Going for it.
Let it fully breathe and play out here.
I'm adding. You, Zach. I'm going for it.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Mm-hmm.
Let us see it. I have one of that loss I took was one of those like yesterday where I'm like, what could I have done differently there? I'm like, I don't think much, dude. Like I liked it initially. I just got that little flash crash thing I had, but just smacked me, dude. Unfortunately, there's nothing I could really do about that. Like just that was it. All right, RTY. I need some love here.
This would be a good loss anyway.
Big loss.
This is a good one. Looks like I'm about to get stopped.
Oh, you're right. Going down into prior to high. You did buy it like at high today. It's retesting prior day high now.
Yeah,
At least you had your entry model. I mean,
yeah, that's my setup. I mean, whatever happens next, happens next.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm cool.
I'm doing the same thing with RTY. I'm just sitting. See these hands? I'm sitting on them.
Mm-hmm.
Sitting on them, baby. Sitting on them. Not overthinking it. I swear.
Not doing none of that.
Like being able, one of my favorite things you say, Lawrence, is the noise in between your entry and your stop loss or take profit, or like I guess the action is just noise. Yeah, it literally is just noise. You just gotta
That's all it is, bro.
Can't overthink it. Can't do this. Can't do that. You just gotta let it trade.
Stop. Damn.
Oh, did it
it's
sweep
all
you?
Good. Hold on, I'm gonna give it a little bit more space. Is it gonna hit me?
Yeah, I think it pulled all the way back to VWAP, bro.
Yeah,
Ments are too high.
I mean, my setup was there, bro.
I know.
It was there.
I just think it had so it had 3 big 5-minute bars in a row. I think that was kind of the issue. It moved nearly 100 points. So
KJ Stucky, do you invest? I do both, bro. I do both.
Let's see how we're doing here. I added that third contract for Zach. So my risk did go up on this play, but maybe it's going to be a good ad. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I just love this this VWAP. Look at this. Just hold the VWAP here. It looks better in a 5-minute. Look at this. Tail. This is my extension. Pullback. Hold a VWAP. Buy it down here when it's really like sketchy and everyone's tripping out. Tight risk. Boom. And then we should reclaim this. And then I want to take it into 72s. Retested this lower structure here. That'd be nice. That's actually a really good spot. 72s. That's exactly what I want. I want 72s, dude. I want 72s here. Look at 15-minute. Let's get a 15-minute engulfing bar. Engulf the whole damn thing. What up?
It can clear it.
Yeah, it could. Absolutely could. So far, it's doing what it should.
Sorry, I couldn't win that one for you, Zach. I tried.
You got us all hyped up, bro.
I know.
That's all hyped up, dude. Let's see. What is 72? It'd be 1485. That'd be almost 1,000 on the day. I could do that. Yes. I could do that. I absolutely could do that. That sounds good. I want to go for the whole daily bar in golf, but that just seems like it might take a hot minute. If we can even get up here, we're struggle busting right now a little bit in this area, in this zone. Not going to overthink it though. Just let it trade. There we go. A little bit more love.
Mark this for mine.
How's the ooh? You know what I like on this? Look what I just saw. Check this out. That's why you guys got to circle. Got to cycle through different time frames. Look at this. Look at this inverted hammer. And then if we just engulf this dude, oh, that's gonna be
they're gonna reclaim that
30-minute, dude. 30-minute bar, higher time frame. If they reclaim this, it's gonna look real fucking nice, dude. Real nice. Let's see the reclaim.
Right.
Let's see the reclaim, dude. I love this now. If this can fully reclaim, like this is just like driver's seat confidence. And I know RTY, it's just going to be some fuckery and take some time, take a second. I'm not going to overthink it. If I hit this loss here, though, I will lock it out and be done. I won't go the extra fucking whatever it is. Let's see what she does. Let's see what she does.
See what she does.
There we go. Gives a little algo spike up. Keep it holding. Keep it going. How we doing, chat?
Yeah, what y'all looking like? What's everybody looking like?
Oh, our chill's in here. Your idea was right, just slightly early, in my opinion. Yeah, for sure. It was. It was a little too early. You're not wrong. My level was either way down at 424s or 500. So that's why I took the 500s initially. That's why I did that. We're at 200 people right now on the live. 200. 200. All right, give us some movement here. 8 minis at 22, 536. Let's see this London high. Let's go. 8 minis. God bless you, sir.
That's nasty
God bless
work.
you, Will. Let's see it.
Nasty.
God
work, bro.
bless you.
I just re-entered for my daily max loss. I'm going for it.
You did? You re-entered?
Yeah, for my daily max loss.
Yeah, I think we might pull back one more time though to VWAP, which is right below.
So be it.
Okay. Actually, you know what? I like that little 5 minute. I like that little 5 minute pin bar, like pinning right below the most recent low. I like that. It's not bad. I don't like this though on RTY. Like this is fucking doing this. This is like just digesting too long for me. Way too much. Not gonna trip. Not gonna worry. I'm just gonna let it trade though. Not much I can do. In a WTI long. I don't know what that is.
WTI, what's that?
WTI. What WTH is WTI. God, RTY is just so slow sometimes, but other times it rips. But regardless of what happens here, I'm not gonna be mad. This is my setup. This is my pullback to VWAP. I got a really good spot. My ad was a little aggressive because Zach was in here and he fired me up, got my adrenaline going. But I like this little sweep here. I like this. I like this. If this candle can keep doing this, I do like this. I like all this. Not against it. Not against it, fam. Give us a Trump tweet.
Right.
Give us a positive one, not a negative one. Kyle, this man, shout out Kyle, everyone. Kyle is in Strong Trading 101 coaching, and Kyle has taken $25,000 in payouts since he started.
Nasty.
Let's give a big
I know that.
For the man Kyle, dude. Kyle's fucking crushing it. NQ all-time high, boys. Yeah, let's send it, dude. Send it, dude. Yeah, look at this bar now, dude. I just looked away for 2 seconds, and now it's looking real nice on RTY. I want 72s. Let's go to the 30. I want this engulfed here. This big old ugly inverted ham skis. Easily test this underside of support here. Yeah, 71.9. This is great here. 71.9. I'm gonna go 71.8. I'm gonna go 71.8 and put out 2. That's my plan. If we can get, I know it's a bit of ways away, but just so everyone knows where we're headed, I want to see the retest of the bottom of this structure here, 71.8. I think it's a really fair area to retest. And then if that just keeps going with my runner, then beautiful. I'll let that keep going with my runner. See what happens. But so far, I'm digging this. How's the 15-minute look? That's what I wanted. I want this thing to be engulfed. 20 more seconds. Keep it high up here. Yep. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it.
Nice little retest.
Keep on pushing it. A little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. This looks nice.
RTY is really okay. So these are the days you live for.
These are the days I live for. Exactly.
That happens
Honestly,
once every
I
blue
live for
moon.
this setup right here, dude. This is pullback to VWAP. I will say the safer pullback to VWAP, the exit would be scaling out into the highs here. For anyone that's interested in my strategy, what I do, it's like extension, pullback to VWAP, get long at VWAP, and you always sell normally into the highs. I call this the easy money versus the greedy money. I am kind of going for the greedy money because I'm already down on the day. So I'm just doing what I got to do. But I like this though overall because I do like the daily setup. I like this daily setup, like I talked about earlier, first thing of this. Like this looks fucking nice to me. I'm like, sell 2 here into 72, lower structure, and then sell the rest into 76s, 75s, let's call it. Basically, like the base of these candles right here, 76, around that area. So that's the plan, Stan. But so far, this is looking nice. Nice. Kyle, the real MVP. Money bags. Let's go. Yep. Kyle, the real MVP. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Damn.
We need a rip.
We need a rip skis. Give us a ripperoon skis. Give us a rip stick, dude. You know what's funny? You ever play Madden?
Yeah. Oh,
yeah,
hit stick.
Hit stick, dude. I thought it was rip stick, so I used to keep saying a rip stick.
That's funny, yeah.
I'm like, give me a rip stick, dude. And everyone's like, rip stick, isn't that like the skateboard thing with the weird wheels? And I'm like, that actually is that is what that is. I forgot.
It's hilarious. Bro, over there playing Madden. Give me the rip stick.
Give me the rip stick. Let's go, baby. Keep going. 68s now. Look at this fucking cruise, dude. Look at this cruise. Call me TRT because I'm cruising right now. We're going. Only a few people are going to understand that reference, that joke. I hope Kyle heard that. Didn't you say you used to skate? Let's see a kickflip one day. I did, dude. I got some.
You used to skate, bro?
I did, yeah, dude. Have you ever? I got to pull up the YouTube Tanner Skate 17. That's the archives.
I know that's right.
I did used to skate. My my skating PR was I switched 180 to 9 stair. That was like probably like my peak. I think I ollied an 11 stair. Tray flip, and I'll post one too. There we go. Kyle's laughing at my joke. It came through. Not the TRT. There you go. I love it. You guys got it. Yeah, I used to skate, dude. I used to be a front side or back side. Like, was I goofy or regular? I was regular. Oh, you mean the switch 180? It was front side switch 180, not backside. I'm not a psycho. No, backside, anything backside was always scary to me. I was like, no. But yeah, skating was my OG passion, dude. That was like my first love. And then I broke my ankle, and I kind of just went all downhill from there, and that was it.
Yeah, I heard the injuries on those are pretty bad. On that.
Yeah, it just took a while to like recover from it, and it is what it is. All right, how are we doing here? How close are we to the sell,
bro? So I only have $100 to lose, and I'm too many.
Why do you gotta lose it?
I'm 2 minis in, and if this shit doesn't, I can't even make it to my stop. Let me see, $100, bro. If that's $100, bro. Like if it makes
it's not looking bad, dude. It's
not, bro. But it can't breathe. That's my thing. This thing cannot retrace, bro. It gotta go straight up.
I know this thing can't. This thing needs to just go, dude. Holy
go
shit!
Straight up, bro.
Oh, RTY is just fucking skyrocketing, dude. Let's go. This is
because my stop loss is really down here, bro. It's all the way down here. I'm not giving it no room, bro. I'm gonna get stopped out.
No, just let it breathe, dude. Let it breathe. I think you might be okay. I think you might be okay.
It's going to work out, but I don't. But that's the thing. I think it's going to work out. But look, yeah, it's over, bro. It's over. It's going to work out, but I haven't given it enough time, enough space to work out. Yeah, I'm cooked.
It's it's literally oscillating prior day high right now.
I know. And I needed
go to the 5 minute. Go to the 5 minute.
It's gonna stop me out, bro. Because I haven't given enough space.
Is it? Where's your stop?
That's the thing. My daily loss limit is $100. So if it goes
Oh
$100,
yeah,
which is
too
like
many.
right here, it's
Oh
over.
yeah. I don't know.
It's
You might
over.
get
It
it
has to
here.
shoot. It has to shoot straight up,
Oh, we're sending right now, dude. We're sending. Let's go. Look
bro.
at this
It has to
fucking.
shoot straight up, bro.
Let's go. Shoot straight up. Give us a pumper.
Please.
Give us a pump, dude. Give us a
Yes.
pump here. Give us a pump here.
Let's go.
Give us a fucking pump here,
Come
dude.
on.
Keep pushing. Give me 72s. Give me
Let's
72s.
go.
Come on, chat. Come on, fam. We're so close here, bro. 71.8s. We're at 70. We're at
I need
70.
London highs, bro. I need London highs.
Give us a ripper.
I need
Give us
London
one more
highs,
push.
bro.
One more push here. One more
Let's
push.
go. I need London highs, bro.
One
I'm
more
not settling
push.
for nothing less.
Oh, we're so overextended. I feel like I'm gonna get edged here, dude. We're pretty overextended in the 70s.
Fuck that. This is the market. This shit can go to the fucking moon.
You look good. I think you're gonna be good, bro. It's looking good on the accumulation. I'm worried that I'm gonna get edged like literally by a point here. Let's see. Do I get it? Do I get filled, chat? Do I get filled? That's what she said.
Going for it.
Give us it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it.
I'm going for damn near 600s.
Give me it. Oh, we're real close. We're real close. Don't edge me. I'm gonna consider. I don't want to get edged here with this extension. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't want to be a dick for a tick on this cover. I do feel like it's gonna keep going higher, but I feel like it might pull back first before it does. Give me it. Give me it. Oh my god, I'm so close. Give me it.
Give me it.
Give me it. Ah. Push. Come on, chat. Let's go. Let's go. We're so close. Oh my god.
So I'll give it to you. You're good. You're good.
Oh my god.
Good. It's edging you a little bit, but
it's edging me, dude. I kid you not, bro. If this is one fucking tick away, oh my god, it's happening.
Go ahead and cut some. You're right there. It's not gonna make a difference. That's not gonna make a difference. That's not gonna make no difference. You're only 1 point. There you go. That's 1 point.
I covered both of them. I'm letting this runner do its thing. That's my luck, dude. Do you fucking see that shit?
Yeah.
That shit's crazy. Whatever. Give me some W.
Big money is in your head.
You guys see that? I was down 500. Now look where we're at. We're up 500, baby, and we got a runner going. Let's see. Where do I want to pull this to, though? To break even? Probably pull it to break even. By now? No. Do I want to? Yeah, I probably should pull this to break even. That'd be stupid not to.
Oh, Lord. It's coming against me. I'm about to get stopped, bro. No. I know it's just a retest. It should continue to go. It's just a retest, but I just don't need it to stop me. I need it to like that's why I hate about this. It's like I'm not giving it enough room. I think I know that I'm right. I don't know, but I'm very likely to be right.
Yeah.
I'm just not giving it enough room, bro. Because all I have is $100 to spare, and I got 2 minis in. Do you know how crazy it is? I have two.
I know.
I'm 2 minis in with $100.
$100
Only I can do this. If I win this trade, I am legendary. This is 2 minis with $100 stop loss. You know how precise you got to be to do that?
This is pretty wild for you. This is pretty wild.
I have $100 stop loss. So if it stops right here, that's all I have.
That's crazy. I think it could work,
the
bro.
Only space that I have, bro. Do you know how accurate you have to be for this?
I know.
2 minis. $100 stop loss.
You ain't wrong.
Let's make this legendary. Come on.
Let's make this legendary is right, dude. I think you're gonna be good. I think this thing is gonna accumulate and go.
Let's make this legendary. I'm going for 595s.
Space Goes Viz, your boy Space Goes got busy. Team lockout boys for the day. Good. Lock it out.
Lockout boys.
Lock it out. Lock it out. Thank you guys for the W's earlier, by the way. Xpree, Fit Trader, Charles, Space. Appreciate you guys. Much love. Much love. See this runner go, dude. I'm the king of getting fucking edged by like one tick every time, bro.
That happens to you pretty often.
Like so often. And like, you know what's funny is like as time's gone on, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit so it gets filled. And I'm getting like even just now, like one tick, bro. One tick.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. I'm glad I locked that when I did.
I need this I just want this to rip. I don't have any room for retracement.
Yeah, I'll tell you. So Brian, this is not the driver's seat. this is
not the driver's seat.
The driver's seat for Lawrence will be once we get like past like 580s. I think it'll be once we get past 580s, you're in the driver's seat.
Yeah. So Diary Future Trader, why don't you lock in some profits to give yourself more room I can do that, but wouldn't that move my my entry like into a worse position than it already is? I kind of want to just leave everything the way it is.
Yeah, I'd say just fucking risk it for the biscuit, dude. I think you're chilling.
Yeah, and plus like below this little impulse candle right here, I think I'm straight. I think I'm straight. I just got to stay below that.
Oh, we're extend. Oh, SPY wants all-time highs, dude. It's going. Let's go. Bring it all up.
It's gravitating.
And bring it all up. Bring it all up. Bring it all up to the other side. Moving on up
to the east.
Moving on up. Moving on up. Moving on up.
I hope that this works out because this will be nasty, bro.
This will be pretty nasty. You got 580s above right here.
What up, my guy?
You got 580s up here. The boys. What's good, Luna? What's going on?
Luna, if you don't see this right now, I want you to understand.
Lauren's sending right now, dude.
I'm 2 minis in, $100 away from my daily max loss. 2 minis in, $100 away from my daily max loss. This is what we do on our streams.
The fullest of the sun, dude.
The fullest.
All right, let's see if I don't get edged again. I'm moving my I'm going for the gold here.
Me too. You see where I'm going? I'm going for
I know you're going for the moon.
Yes, sir. We can get there too. Or we cannot get there. I
do think yeah, no, fuck it. Hold it. Damn, my dude, RTY, bro. Look at this. Look at this, bro. What a play. What a fucking play, dude.
Yeah.
What a fucking play. Oh yeah, Brian. Oh, that's right. Brian took a loss and then got back in. You've been cruising this. Yeah, you're in the driver's seat right now. Fuck yeah. Let's go.
I don't like this consolidation on NQ, bro. I need this shit to start ripping.
Give it a little patience,
Nah, bro.
Let's see if I can get my whole fill up here. 74.8. That'd be real nice.
I need this shit to rip today.
It'd be real nice if we can do this. Should I trail this below this bar? 68.5. Nah, that's lame.
I don't like this. We should be ripping.
Give it a second to breathe. It's breathing.
I needed to go now.
And still not trailed into profit? Nah, dude, come on. Don't be a pussy.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Let's get those likes up, boys. Yeah, let's get those likes up. Smash the like button. I gotta get better at saying
show us some love, bro.
We just stream and just fucking
do us. We just come on here and do our thing.
RTY, bro. Let's fucking go. RTY is like
one good day. That shit has one good day, and you're like,
yeah, it's like, dude, it's like
you're like a proud dad with a son who sucks at a sport, and they have.
Well, no, RTY. I was literally about to say RTY is like the retarded stepson that you're like, I still love you, and so you got to give it some love every now and then.
Right.
Look at this. Look at these candles, dude. So nice. So nice. I'm not getting edged again this time. You guys are watching me take gains this time, hitting full, take profit. We're holding it. We're doing it. We're cruising. Give me it this time. No more fuckery. Keep pushing. Super close. Super close. Which one of the futures do you like trading the best? I've been seeing you trade RTY a decent amount. I'm just doing this to piss off Lawrence, but I trade NQ for sure the most, MNQ. But definitely RTY. I look at all of them. It just depends on what's in play for me and what I see. Honestly, it's like what's a good setup, what's decent, what's looking good. Since I feel like RTY was just a good setup today, and it was. This pullback to view up, as you guys saw me, it played out very well, and I was able to scale, take some gains. Give me it. No edging here. Come on.
Let's fucking go, bro. Come on.
No edge. Yeah, let's go, Lawrence.
Come on, bro.
Let's
Come
go,
on, man.
Let's
Come
go.
on. Get me out of here. Come on.
Let's go. Let's
Give me
go.
the rip and get me out of here, bro. Give me the rip and get me out of here.
Go.
I want to get out this trade.
Yep.
Come on.
I want to get out this trade too. Give me one more push here, please.
Come on, bro. Give me the fill.
Don't edge me. Don't edge me. I'm debating cutting it. Again, same thing.
I mean, it does not make a difference. It's only 0.8. 1 point. It doesn't make a difference. I mean, it's going to hit. I think it's going to hit. Why don't you put the stop below the impulse candle? I think it's going to hit, though.
I think I'm just going to take it, dude.
All right, then go ahead and take it. This is not going to be if you take it right now.
The profit, here we go. This is going to be
that's left doesn't matter.
I know you're right. I'm not worried. I just wanted to hit TP. Give me it. Let's go. Fuck yeah. Let's fucking go. Let's go, baby. W's in the chat. Let's go, Lawrence, with the ripper too.
Come on,
did that fill you?
Nobody's
doing that, bro. Oh my god, let's go. Let's fucking go.
2 minis with only $100 stop loss.
Let's go. No. Let's fucking go, dude.
You're not better than me.
Fucking go.
Dude, you're not better than me, bro.
Let's go.
2 minis, $100 stop loss. Do you understand what that is? That's precision. That's precision, bro. You're not better than me, bro.
Oh my gosh. Let's fucking go, dude.
Best.
Let's fucking go, dude.
2 minis.
Dude,
that's precise. That's precise. I'm on it. Sniper. You want to talk about a trader supposed to be a sniper? You want to talk about a sniper? I'm a sniper, bro. That's what I do. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, bro.
Let's go. Should I take a shot of tequila? I'm just kidding.
$110 stop loss with 2 minis is nasty work.
Oh god,
it's nasty work, bro. There's nothing else you can say about it. It's nasty business, bro. You're not better than me. I'm the greatest.
All right,
go to strongtrain.com and get one-on-one coaching. Go to strongtrain.com right now and get one-on-one coaching. Buy some merch while you at it.
Oh my god, that was so fucking
merch.
good. All right,
let's follow me on Lawrence the Investor. What's happening?
Oh, let's fucking go.
Buy some merch.
Let's fucking go. Dude, that was crazy. You got filled on that too. That was epic. That was fucking epic. Okay, gang. Now that the dopamine is spiked and through the roof, let's lock out, boys. Let's lock out, boys.
Let's do it.
Lockout, boys, Lawrence. Rip it, you're live.
I'm on. Sorry,
you're
on.
I know.
I'm hyped.
Custom.
I don't think they understand the magnificence. Lockout, boys.
Lockout, boys. I'm going to remove. Pull me up here. Same thing. We're going up here. We're going to manual lockout, custom. We're going to 6:30 a.m. Yes, lock me out. We're doing the same copy trading thing where we clear this, we save changes, we go to this one, we go to this one, we go to boom, we go to custom, we go to 6:30 a.m. Boom, lock me out. Lock out, boys. Lock out, boys. Let's fucking go. Locks in the chat. Give me a bunch of locks in the chat. I want to see a bunch of lock emojis. That's what I want to see.
I have nothing left to say.
Luna, I need merchant coaching for real. And a shot of tequila. Oh, let's go. Wish I could lock out too, but I use Trade Evade. Yeah, it's all good. But good shit, Brian. Brian, did you cover Brian? That was what a good fucking recovery from Brian, by the way. Took the loss and then got in and just caught so much. Let's go. Lockout, boys. I'd love to see it. Love to fucking see it. All energy, all juice. Look at the locks. Lockout boys in the chat. We love it. Locks. Keep the locks coming. We love it. Lawrence and I just both banked. Lawrence just had a most insane trade. Lawrence literally had $100 left on his daily loss limit, threw on two minis, and then came on top with what'd you do? You ended up doing like 900 on the day. 738. Literally, he was down 800 to up 738. I did take an initial loss. I took an initial loss where I was down 500, came back on RTY, ripped to pull back to VWAP for $1,000 on the day. What a great day, great stream. Love you guys. That shit was special though. That was fucking sick, Lawrence. Your shit was fucking epic, dude. That was crazy.
Did you end the stream, bro?
I think we're gonna end the stream right here. Yo, thank you all for joining. We appreciate y'all. Good shit. Hopefully that was entertaining and also fun because that was for me. But good shit. That wraps up another week of streaming for us. We'll be on ASFX TV tomorrow. Much love. Appreciate all you guys that come in every day and all the new ones that join too. We love it. We're gonna keep showing up every day and doing this shit and just making it fun for you guys, but also trying to give you guys some education, some things to learn. That's what we do. So much love. Last but not least, use code STRONG, Top 1 Futures. Go check them out. Appreciate you.